I arrived in Greensboro almost exactly 50 years ago in the summer of 1969 as a college freshman. I was at UNCG when it was still predominantly a girls' school, and I was a very naive 17-year-old that had hardly been allowed to date at all. And at a girls' school, late at night in the dorms, the girls would start talking about their experiences. And I was just stunned how many of the young women had already had abortions before they got to college. And these, of course, were illegal abortions because they weren't legal yet. And their stories were just horrific. And some of them lost their ability to subsequently have children. And I just don't want to go back to those times.
Back in the 50s and 60s, women were getting abortions in back alleys with coat hangers, falling down the stairs in order to get rid of the baby. And that is not safe. That is death to the woman and the child.
We need safe, legal abortion, and we need safe and legal birth control for all women.
I've taken a lot of my friends to clinics when we were in high school and even younger. And what people should know is that no one's skipping happy to the abortion clinic. This is a decision that is painful and hurtful for so many women.
The laws will not change a woman who is determined to abort her child. The laws will only make it more dangerous for her to have that abortion.
I understand that some people think abortion is inhumane, but what's humane about forcing a woman that cannot financially sustain a child? What's humane about a child being raised in an environment that is not safe for them, both financially or if the mother has mental health issues?
There are people that have genuinely, sincerely held beliefs that feel like having an abortion is murder. They genuinely believe that. But I don't think they should be writing our laws.
We have people that think they want kids, and still we have children that are abused and neglected every day, and these are people that want them. And you're going to force women to have them that don't want them? I can't even imagine what kind of future these children have.
Historically, men have made laws that have affected women's bodies. And it's a hard habit to break, I think, for the men that are in power.
The majority of white men in this country are making decisions that have nothing to do with them.
I'm glad I don't live in Alabama, but I live close enough to Alabama to be quite frightened and quite angered by this debate in general.
I mean, we are perfectly capable of making our own choices regarding our health. Men aren't being controlled by government about their health issues, so why are we?